I'll be doing a bit of videoing this week. Justin's off. I don't know what he's doing at home, but he'll be having a well-deserved rest, I'm sure. Yeah, to de-stress. He's a bit of a stress head, Justin, at times, but he's a good lad, so yeah, he's having a break. So I'll be back with you later.
Morning guys, another week in paradise here at Airedale. Just having a bit of a maintenance day in yard actually. Jamie, just switch off a sec mate. They just put radio on. Copyrights. Yeah, so we're just having a bit of a maintenance day actually. In summer we struggle, we don't have enough water, there's no water on site here. And then in winter we get too much water. So digging this out of it that we did the other week. And we're just gonna quickly concrete it there so it's a nice, probably put us little machines in and stuff, you know, like as a little thing and fork truck. We've just had to let this one go down as drain that we did, and then we're actually emptying as IBCs. Look, we just had to buy that 40 odd quid, but we're emptying it and we've put it all the way down back of us things here, and I'll show you. It makes you sick a bit really, because come summer we're struggling for water, but in winter we get too much, so basically put the hose pipe all the way down there, and then we're just letting it go there, so it'll just soak away down there. Actually fairly busy today, we just had a day today when we didn't have materials that we need for a little job, so well actually we did have a job to do, but I think I said in my last video they let us down on Friday at last second and said can we put it off for a week, so sort of give us something else to do today, but we're alright. Rest of the week we've got little jobs on, so yeah, we'll keep you updated anyway as we go along.
Good morning, it's Tuesday. We're just starting off today. We've recently installed this black mesh a couple of weeks back. Maggie's just cutting these out now. Get these on here, take them to the scrappers. So they've called us back to take this out. They're using it as a bit of a climbing frame at kids, so we're going to take that out. We've been cutting them flush, but we said we'll fill them up and just cement over them and neat finish. So straightforward Tuesday for us.
Good morning, another fine morning. Actually not bad today. Lads have just set off, they're just going back up to Wibsey Primary where we've done a bit lately. Just going to take some like existing galvanised sort of mesh railings off of the wall. So yeah, it's a nice little job for them today. Me and Justin are just sorting some jobs out because Justin's off. He's off for a few days from tomorrow, so we're just sorting what jobs we've got for lads. Justin will get that together and then he's going to make his way over to one of our suppliers this afternoon and pick a job up which came in for a mate of ours yesterday, Adfabs. It's about 40 odd metres of E-mesh in black. Obviously absolutely tons of E-mesh but not in black. So they're just going to go pick some of that up for a job tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully lads will get some footage of where they are today, and we'll get some footage as we're going along.
Right, good morning. It's Wednesday morning. We're over in Leeds, over at a place called Stourton, other side of Leeds to us. It's we've just got out of van, it's been pissing it down, pardon the French. Let's get his boombox off, just listen to a bit of Ken Move as we do. Maggie's getting set up here. This job, it's a new build as you can see. Been called by Adfabs to do some perimeter fencing round here. Adfabs is a local Bradford firm we do bits and bats for. They're putting a sliding gate in here. It's going where that pad is. So straightforward procedure for us, just following this pin curb round upside of this acre here. Just in some black mesh here, black V mesh. So it'll be running up this curb here. That says height there. So fairly straightforward. Just hope that rain holds off. I'll be doing a bit of videoing this week. Justin's off. I don't know what he's doing at home, but he'll be having a well-deserved rest, I'm sure. So yeah, to de-stress. He's a bit of a stress head, Justin, at times, but he's a good lad. So Yeah, he's having a break, so I'll be back with you later.
Good morning. Nice and early, sun shining for once. We're loaded up already. Lads are just about to set off. Just got to do a little job down in Hyde Park. You might have seen me down there a few weeks ago when I surveyed it, where actually my grandparents are from and my mother. Yeah, they're just setting off there. They've actually gone in Justin's van. We've actually stripped it down because this one's going in for MOT. I just realised that MOT were due on that one actually this week. One of those things that just goes out of your head. But yeah, they're going to go there, so hopefully they'll get some footage. It's only a little bolt down job, it's something to note, and then when they come back we've got a repair to do, a job that we did a couple of years ago, just literally 2 panels, 1 post there. We'll get that done and we'll drop the van off over at Queensbury. I'm just in yard now. I've got a delivery coming, a couple of big decent jobs actually, a lot of palisade and I can't remember, I think it's mesh the other one. So yeah, I'm just going to have a little sort around now before he gets here and then make some room for him. So yeah, just a little repair that we've done here, panel and a half and a new posting. It's like wacky races around here. I think this is about the 3rd time we've been back here since we installed all that annex door up there. We actually know a few lads that work here. We sent the clamp bar, we don't even match, so we've had to self-tapper them, but anyhow, yeah, we've painted it up and touched it up and all. Job done, on to the next. He hasn't got his eyes on.
As it happens, I have. Anyway. Hey?
I
will do it in a minute. He's in a good mood today, Baggy. Look, he knows he's going to pub for 12. Right. Friday is best day of the week for us. We're over at, we're in Leeds, working at a new school actually, in Rawdon. I'm making a laugh. Give up, you divvy. Little job. We've got another job, we've got a repair to do this afternoon, so it should be a steady day for us. So we're putting some roll top in here. Gate centralised to that gate. A couple of panels there. Nice steady day. Cold day, but it's sunny, so we're happy.
So yeah, I'm just at Saltaire Primary School here. We're just going to fence this bit off here. I want new gates there. It's 1.9 outside to outside, and then we're just going to come down this with normal panels here, 13 metres, and then come to about here, and then we're just going to go up the hill there. These will have to be in like 1 metre wide panels for the slope.
We're just finishing up job now. Obviously our CCTV guys are here, quite a while yet, all getting automated. As you can see, it's attaching arms, fenced all that off, all this off. Down there, there's actually a few panels back there as well. We've done timber one over there, all this new fencing in here. As I say, we're just getting ready to get out of here, just doing the last few bits. All this all the way down here. All the way down. Lads have put these in halves around corner just because it's quite steep. Then all the way to the bottom, and we've actually got a single gate in there. We've actually done a bit of fencing around the other side as well, just 3 panels. But yeah, looking good.